Have you ever wondered what makes Tuscany, Italy so special? Tucked away in the central part of Italy, Tuscany is a true paradise. It boasts diverse, mesmerizing landscapes, from its lush rolling hills carpeted with wildflowers, to its grand vineyards stretching to the horizon, right down to its pristine coastlines that shimmer under the warm Italian sun. But the beauty of Tuscany extends far beyond its physical allure. Its true charm is deeply rooted in its rich history and vibrant culture. Walking through Tuscany, you'll find yourself stepping back in time. Its charming medieval towns with their narrow cobblestone streets echo tales of centuries past, of knights and nobles, artists and philosophers. It's a place that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of the Renaissance, and the creation of some of the world's most iconic art. But the magic of Tuscany doesn't stop there. This region is a haven for wine connoisseurs and food enthusiasts. Its sprawling vineyards produce some of the world's most renowned wines, while its local cuisine, deeply rooted in tradition, is a culinary experience unlike any other. Imagine tasting rustic bread soaked in the region's finest olive oil, or savoring a glass of velvety Chianti as you watch the sun set over a sea of grapevines. In Tuscany, art and culture are as integral to life as the air you breathe. This region is home to countless artistic treasures, from magnificent frescoes and sculptures to awe-inspiring architecture. These works of art have played a central role in shaping the world's cultural heritage and continue to inspire artists and art lovers today. In essence, Tuscany is a celebration of life. From its mouth-watering cuisine to its breathtaking landscapes, lively festivals, and time-honored every aspect of Tuscan life is a testament to the region's love for beauty, passion, and joie de vivre. Each moment spent in Tuscany is a feast for the senses, a journey into heart of Italian culture. Each corner of this renowned region holds a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Join us as we explore the hidden treasures and experience the true essence of Tuscany. Our journey begins in the heart of Tuscany, where ancient walls and cobblestone streets echo with tales of centuries past. As we delve deeper into the labyrinth of time, every corner, every stone, and every fresco in these aged towns breathes life into stories etched in history. Each of these medieval towns, unique in their charisma and charm, form the very soul of Tuscany, reflecting not only its rich past, but also its vibrant present. First, our journey takes us to the towers of San Gimignano. Known for its 14 medieval skyscrapers, the town is often referred to as the Manhattan of Tuscany. A place where past and present collide, San Gimignano's skyline is a silhouette against the Tuscan sun that truly mesmerizes. Its narrow, winding streets are a gateway into the Middle Ages, and the panoramic views from the tops of the towers are nothing short of breathtaking. We then find ourselves in the heart of Siena, a town that wears its history proudly. The Grand Piazza del Campo, a beautiful shell-shaped square, hosts the famous Palio horse race, a tradition dating back to the 17th century. Siena's narrow streets lead us to countless examples of Gothic architecture, each more enchanting than the last. Next we arrive in Lucca, a town that is encircled by beautifully preserved Renaissance walls. A leisurely stroll along the top of these walls, now transformed into a popular pedestrian promenade, provides captivating views of the town and its surrounding landscapes. Lucca's allure lies in its seamless blend of the old and the new, where ancient structures stand proudly alongside charming cafes and vibrant boutiques. Our then leads us to the winding alleyways of Volterra. This town has cherished its Etruscan and Roman roots while evolving into a lively modern hub. Here we discover a traditional alabaster artisan's workshop, a testament to Volterra's dedication to preserving its rich cultural heritage. In between these towns, the Tuscan countryside unfolds in a panorama of rolling hills and vineyards, punctuated by cypress trees and olive groves. Each bend in the road reveals another picturesque scene, another snapshot of this region's timeless beauty. Tuscany's culinary delights are another highlight of our journey. In local trattorias, we enjoy traditional dishes made with locally sourced ingredients accompanied by world-class wines. From the famous Tuscan bread soup ribollita to the region's renowned Chianti wines, every meal is a gastronomic journey in itself. As we wind down our exploration, we experience local festivals and markets, marveling at the craftsmanship of local artisans and savoring the region's culinary specialties. These experiences, interwoven with the region's history and culture, bring us closer to the essence of Tuscany. From captivating tales of time past to the vibrance of the present, these medieval towns embody the true spirit of Tuscany. Our journey through these towns serves as a reminder of the region's rich history and a promise of the unforgettable experiences that await every visitor. Tuscany is not only known for its historic towns but also for its world-renowned vineyards. Herein lies the heart of the region, a beating rhythm that is deeply intertwined with the grape harvest and subsequent wine production. The verdant vineyards of Tuscany unravel a tradition as intrinsic to the Tuscan culture as the medieval towns and cobblestone paths we've just ventured through. Let's explore the rolling hills of Chianti first. A spectacle of never-ending vineyards stretches out before us, crafting a serene tableau of abundance. Recognized globally for its robust red wines, the Chianti region captures the taste buds of both connoisseurs and occasional wine drinkers. The secret lies in the Sangiovese grapes, which flourish in the region's fertile soil and clement weather. For wine aficionados and landscape lovers alike, Chianti's vineyards offer an intoxicatingly beautiful experience. Our journey continues towards the tranquil Val d'Orcia region, a celebrated UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the birthplace of the esteemed Brunello di Montalcino wines. The vineyards present an interesting contrast, their neat rows of vines starkly different from the unspoiled beauty of the nearby countryside. The wines from the region are as rich and intricate as Tuscany's history itself, providing a sensory experience that goes beyond the norm. Next, we'll visit Montepulciano. This emblematic wine region is famed for its Vino Nobile, a wine that lives up to its noble and distinguished name. The vineyards here showcase the meticulous craftsmanship of local winemakers who have been honing their skills for generations. The whole wine production process is a labor of love, starting with the harvesting of grapes to fermentation and aging. Each step is undertaken with utmost care. Tuscany's wine culture is deeply rooted in tradition. Each bottle of wine crafted is a narrative of the land, the people, and the customs that have been upheld for hundreds of years. Iconic region is not just about the wine, it's the unyielding dedication of the people, the fertile land that supports them, and the age-old customs that bind the community together. Montepulciano, a name synonymous with prestige, is our final stop. Known for its Vino Nobile, a wine as noble and distinguished as its name, the vineyards here are a testament to the local winemakers' skill and dedication. For generations, they have been refining their craft to produce wines that truly encapsulate the spirit of Tuscany. From the grape harvest to the fermentation and aging process, every step is a labor of love here. Each bottle is a story of the land, the people, and the tradition that has been preserved for centuries. The transformation from a simple vine to a complex glass of wine encapsulates Tuscany's captivating journey of taste and tradition. From vine to glass, Tuscany's wine culture is a captivating journey of taste and tradition. Tuscany's cultural heritage and artistic treasures are a testament to its rich history and influential artists. As we journey into the heart of this captivating region, we encounter an artistic legacy that has etched an enduring impression on history's canvas. Imagine yourself strolling down the lanes of Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where each corner whispers tales of the period's magnificence. The city's silhouette is punctuated by the Duomo, an awe-inspiring cathedral envisaged by Filippo Brunelleschi. Its vividly red-tiled dome, an engineering and artistic marvel, looms over the city, presenting a sweeping view that encapsulates the quintessence of Florence. Yet what is Florence without the celebrated Uffizi Gallery? A unique rival when it comes to sheltering the masterpieces of Western art. Initially serving as bureaucratic headquarters for the influential Medici family, the Uffizi now stands as an artistic goldmine, exhibiting works from luminaries like Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Each artwork weaves a tale, outlining the strokes of history and imagination that have molded this region. And of course, a discourse on Tuscany's cultural heritage would be incomplete without acknowledging Michelangelo's legendary statue of David. Sculpted from a solitary block of marble, David epitomizes strength and human beauty, personifying the Renaissance's artistic soul. However, Tuscany's cultural heritage transcends the confines of its museums and galleries. The region is a living reservoir of traditional crafts including ceramics, leatherwork, and textiles preserved through generations. Each craft is a fragment of a larger picture, contributing to the vibrant mosaic that is Tuscany. From the undulating hills of Chianti, to the quaint lanes of Siena, from the lush vineyards of Montepulciano to the iconic vistas of Val d'Orcia, every facet of Tuscany is drenched in culture, history, and art. Tuscany's cultural heritage is not bound by the past, it's a pulsating entity that fuels the imaginations of artists, writers, and dreamers. From the splendor of Renaissance art to the ageless charm of its architecture, Tuscany's cultural heritage is a treasure trove of inspiration. Tuscany, with its medieval towns, vineyards, and cultural heritage, is truly a celebration of life's simple pleasures. It's a realm where the echoes of history permeate through the remnants of ancient fortresses, where the cobbled lanes tell tales of times long past. The vineyards, basking in the warm Tuscan sun, are a testament to the region's exceptional wine culture, producing some of the finest wines the world has known. Tuscany is a treasure trove of mesmerizing landscapes, teeming with olive groves, sunflowers, and of course vineyards. In our journey, we've the quaint medieval towns of San Gimignano, Siena, and Lucca. Each of these towns possesses its unique charm and folklore, creating an aura of mystique that is impossible to resist. The timeless beauty of these towns is truly enchanting, offering glimpses into the heart and soul of Tuscany. We've also indulged in Tuscany's wine culture, wandering through the lush vineyards of Chianti, Valdorcia, and Montepulciano. The symphony of flavors these vineyards offer is not merely a taste but an experience, a journey into the very essence of Tuscany. Furthermore, we've immersed ourselves in Tuscany's abundant cultural heritage. Florence, the cradle of Renaissance, holds a wealth of artistic masterpieces and architectural grandeur, reflecting the genius of the region's rich historical legacy. Tuscany is an amalgamation of all things beautiful, where every turn reveals a new delight, a new story. It's not just a destination, but a sensory experience, permeating every sense, every emotion. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a connoisseur of fine wine and cuisine, Tuscany is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience.